Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to train your dog to be a therapy dog. Therapy dogs provide comfort and companionship to people in hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and other settings. If you have a friendly, patient, and well-behaved dog, and you're interested in volunteering your time and skills to help others, this might be the perfect activity for you and your furry friend. Before we start, it's important to mention that therapy dog training is not the same as service dog training. Therapy dogs do not have public access rights and do not perform specific tasks to assist a person with a disability. They are simply there to provide emotional support and comfort to people who are in need. With that said, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right dog. Not all dogs are suitable candidates for therapy work. In general, therapy dogs should be friendly, calm, and social, and they should be comfortable being around new people and unfamiliar environments. They should also have a good temperament and be able to handle different types of attention and petting. If you're not sure whether your dog has the right personality for therapy work, you can ask your veterinarian or a professional dog trainer for their opinion. Personality. As mentioned before, therapy dogs should be friendly, calm, and social. They should be able to cope with different types of attention and petting from strangers, and they should be comfortable being around new people and unfamiliar environments. Size. Therapy dogs come in all shapes and sizes, but it's important to consider the size of the facilities you'll be visiting. For example, if you'll be visiting hospitals or nursing homes, you might want to consider a smaller dog that can easily navigate tight spaces and crowded rooms. On the other hand, if you'll be visiting schools or libraries, a larger dog might be more suitable. Breed. While any breed of dog can potentially be a therapy dog, some breeds are more suited to this type of work due to their temperament and personality. Some examples of breeds that are often used as therapy dogs include Golden Retrievers, Labrador Retrievers, Poodles, and Cocker Spaniels. However, it's important to remember that breed is not the only factor to consider when choosing a therapy dog. If you're not sure whether your dog has the right personality for therapy work, you can ask your veterinarian or a professional dog trainer for their opinion. They can help you assess your dog's temperament and suggest ways to improve their behavior if needed. Step 2. Basic obedience training. Before you can start training your dog for therapy work, it's important to make sure they have a solid foundation of basic obedience skills. This includes commands like sit, stay, come, down, and heel. It's also a good idea to teach your dog how to be calm and well-behaved in different situations, such as when people are walking past them, when other dogs are around, or when there are loud noises. Basic obedience training is an important foundation for therapy dog training. It helps your dog learn how to behave appropriately in different situations, and it also helps them build trust and respect for you as their owner. To start basic obedience training, you'll need to choose a training method that is positive, consistent, and fair. This means using rewards and praise to reinforce good behavior, and avoiding punishment or physical force. Some of the basic obedience skills you'll want to teach your dog include: sit. This command teaches your dog to sit down on command. Stay. This command teaches your dog to remain in a seated position until released. Come. This command teaches your dog to come to you when called. Down. This command teaches your dog to lie down on command. Heel. This command teaches your dog to walk on a leash by your side. It's also a good idea to teach your dog how to be calm and well-behaved in different situations, such as when people are walking past them, when other dogs are around, or when there are loud noises. This can help your dog stay focused and relaxed during therapy visits, and it can also help prevent any accidents or incidents from occurring. To teach your dog these skills, you can use a combination of training methods, such as positive reinforcement, clicker training, and shaping. You can also enlist the help of a professional dog trainer if you're not sure where to start. Step 3. Socialization. Therapy dogs need to be comfortable being around new people, so it's important to expose them to a variety of different people, places, and experiences as they grow up. This will help them become more confident and adaptable, and it will also help them learn how to behave appropriately in different situations. For therapy dogs, socialization is especially important because they need to be comfortable being around new people. This means exposing them to a variety of different people, including children, adults, seniors, and people with disabilities. It's also a good idea to expose them to different environments, such as hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and libraries, so they can become accustomed to the sights, sounds, and smells they might encounter during therapy visits. There are many ways you can socialize your dog, such as taking them for walks in different neighborhoods and areas, visiting dog-friendly stores and restaurants, going to the park and interacting with other dogs and people, inviting friends and family over to your home, Enrolling your dog in a puppy socialization class or a basic obedience class. It's important to start socialization as early as possible, ideally before your dog is 16 weeks old. This is because puppies are more receptive to new experiences during this time, and it's easier to prevent any potential behavior problems from developing later on. Step 4. Therapy Dog Certification. To become a therapy dog, your dog will need to pass a certification test. This test is designed to assess your dog's suitability for therapy work, and it usually includes a basic obedience test, a temperament test, and a skills test. The specific requirements for the test may vary depending on the organization you're working with, so it's a good idea to do your research and find out what's required in your area. The basic obedience test is designed to assess your dog's ability to follow basic commands, such as sit, stay, come, down, and heel. This is important because therapy dogs need to be well behaved and responsive to their handlers during visits. The temperament test is designed to assess your dog's suitability for therapy work. This might include evaluating your dog's socialization skills, their ability to cope with different types of attention and petting, and their overall temperament and behavior. The skills test is designed to assess your dog's ability to perform specific tasks or behaviors that are relevant to therapy work. This might include walking calmly on a leash, tolerating being handled by strangers, or staying focused in a noisy or distracting environment. The specific requirements for the certification test may vary depending on the organization you're working with, so it's a good idea to do your research and find out what's required in your area. Some organizations that offer therapy dog certification include the Delta Society, Pet Partners, and the Therapy Dogs International. Step 5. Volunteer work. Once your dog is certified, it's time to start volunteering. There are many different organizations and facilities that welcome therapy dogs and their handlers, so you should be able to find a place that fits your schedule and interests. Some places you might consider include hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and libraries. That's it. With some patience, dedication, and training, you and your dog can become a valuable therapy team and bring joy and comfort to people in need. Thank you for watching, and happy training.